Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yo, what's good? It's your girl Gianna Renee.
KrisMikal in it.
Y'all, we doing a road trip. Okay, so tell them what we doing. Tell them what
we finna go to this HBCU beach day. I got the gang with me.
Gang.
We packed like some fucking. Wait, that was racist.
It's okay though. It's okay though.
Bro, gonna get canceled.
Look, and I ain't even popping yet. But yeah, we finna go to this HBCU beach day in Jacksonville, and like, I mean, shit, we finna get lit.
We
finna get lit as fuck. But yeah, here's another video for y'all, cause I'm running out of ideas. I just don't know what to do and shit. So I'm gonna just record my fucking life because I be lit on my HBCU. What the fuck y'all whispering, bro? But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and shit.
There you go.
I don't know. We catch y'all when we have a fucking another clip or some shit.
So, hey, we at Zaxby's. If you can see, guys, we are at Zaxby's.
Yeah, I drove.
He drove and he was pushing like 115, y'all.
I'm not pushing 115.
Yes, he was.
On GTA.
No, in real life.
On GTA.
In real life.
But yeah, I only got like what, 20 miles, 30 miles now.
No, you really have like 50. We got 50, but we get till we get off to Jacksonville, like till we get into Jacksonville. This man is dumb. We have like 50 minutes left. I know, cause I pushed it.
Oh, can I go? Hey guys. We're at Zaxby's right now, and I'm ready to go to the beach and see the young men from these HBCUs. So yeah.
I don't know what we're finna do right now after this, because they trying to say I have to drive the rest of the week. Well, they ain't saying I have to, but I want to, but I don't want to at the same time. But like, my butt cheek hurt. It's always my right butt cheek. My right butt cheek always, you know, my right one always be like this. Nah, because somebody's driving back. So I don't know how it look now because I just changed the setting. But we're here. We all eating now. Got my Zax snack.
Where you at?
I'm gonna eat and
Where you at?
catch y'all later when we get to the beach.
Where you at?
I know life hurts. You don't wanna do nothing that you hate. You rather die first. Can't even do what you love, they don't let you try first. They wanna keep you in the box and follow the rest of the line first. We all know life hurts. That's how life when you ain't got no friends, but you gonna play it cool. Truth be told, you still go to class, but you don't like school. Going cause you want a stable life. Shit, at least the wanna express how you feel to your folks. Internalize the truth. Everybody need their meditation. I speak in the book. The older you get, they drawing your imagination, hypnotizing you. Say that your dreams isn't worth chasing, they can't see it through. Set these fake expectations and take away what you love to do. I know life hurts, and I know life hurts. I know life hurts, yeah, I know life hurts. And I know life hurts, yeah, I know life hurts. And I know life hurts, yeah, I know life hurts. Tell them goals you set in life and they try to turn to nothing. They basically saying you don't follow the rules and you're gonna turn to nothing. They basically follow the crowd and go to school if you wanna be something, but you trying to be something.
So boom, we made it to the beach or whatever, you know what I'm saying? We made it to the beach. KJ forgot the camera in the car, so guess who got it, JB? We ain't got no tripod on the camera, but it's okay. Let me see.
Oh shit, don't drop a cut. I'm not clicking that. So boom, We at the beach.
Bitch, I already said all that shit.
Doesn't matter. If I want to say it, I would say it. And goddamn, what's today? It's Friday? Saturday? It's Saturday, and we drove 2 hours to come to this beach party. And it ain't even no party. Well, I mean, it was raining, but still though, like, I'm thinking it's gonna be live by the time we get here. And it still look like they setting up.
Going.
Hey, hit up a local.
What?
The local.
A local what?
Resident.
Oh.
I got a roof over my head.
Okay. Alright though, but look though. So boom. We in Jacksonville with it. Y'all know 2 hours and some minutes. Yeah, I'm just recording them stuff. So alright, so boom, we on the beach with it, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn motherfucker, yeah, goddamn. Yeah. I'm finna get y'all right for real. So shit, this what it be talking about right here. You see nothing too crazy.
Is that a vlog? Can I be in it? Can I be your vlog?
Yeah.
Hey guys. That's it.
Yeah.
We back here with you know. And then you got KrisMikal in the cut.
Very strong. Some crackhead was just talking to me.
Some crackhead said get local with it. He said get local.
Get a local with it.
Gang.
Gang.
Beach, they been dead as fuck.
It's just hey though, so boom, we out there beat, you know what I'm saying?
Yo.
We out here. We out here. Let me give you this bottle for my titty come out. Hold on, wait. Get this bottle. Cause my boots gonna come out. Oh shit. Oh shit. All in your hair, cuz. Got we lit. I don't know. Yeah, this shit is boring, but shit, they doing that motherfucking shit right here. What is that?
This shit boring as fuck.
This shit boring. But it's alright though. When we play the speaker, we got the speaker over there now. We play the speaker, that shit gonna be lit. I'm telling you that for sure. For sure.
Sorry, I'm not gonna
What you gonna do? Beat him up?
Come on.
That bitch gonna thank you, tell me you got there.
Come on.
Go ahead out there. Go out there for the YouTube video. For the YouTube video. Come on. Yeah, bro. Please go out that bitch for the YouTube video, bro. On God. Go out that bitch. Get it, good. Hey, he trying to go out that bitch. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, shit, no. Hey, what you gotta say? Cuz? What you gotta say, cuz? Get right. Let's get it. They took my hair now. Let's get it. Hey, he's fine over there with that green hat, dude.
Lot of money, lot of cars, lot of tours. Niggas talking, take his head clean out. Niggas white. Money good, got some girls fighting with me.
Let's go. Yeah, cloud, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's video?
We gonna get copyright like fuck, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'ma fucking record this shit and call it a day. Cause like this shit is fucking crazy.
I spent 5 on my pink rings, on my diamond ring. Yo, I'm married to the gang. She said her vows to me.
Alright, y'all. I am a little lit now.
Get it from the back.
Come on. Bow. We started this shit. We really did. That boy from here. We're from Savannah. Well, we're from the A, but we go to Savannah.